6 laws of money. Money isn't something that came as a part of nature, but that doesn't mean that it doesn't have its own nature. By this, I mean that there are certain laws that money goes by. You can compare these natural laws of money to the natural laws of gravity and universe. When these laws are misused, they can create a loss or lack thereof of money. These are the 6 main laws of money.
Hello viewers, welcome to the Business in Africa YouTube channel and thanks for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing and also turn on notification so you don't miss any of our subsequent videos. We always love to produce videos that add value to the Business in Africa community. So if you have any suggested videos that you would love us to produce, drop it in the comment section below so we can do that video just for you.
Number 1. Honor. Money likes to be valued. It likes to be respected and liked. This may sound funny at first, but if you were to take a survey of how people viewed it, a large sum of people wouldn't have the best outlook on it, showing a deep mistrust of it. Like it or not, money has a massive role in today's society. Always remember there's need to be balance in all rules, so this doesn't mean to obsess over it and make it the center of your life. But you need to learn to like it enough to learn about it, to like it enough to honor its place in your life and in the world. Number 2. Movement. Money is not a stationary thing like gold bars sitting in a vault. Money is either being made or being lost. And don't forget the saying, you have to spend money to make money. Money is constantly moving, being traded for goods and services, exchanged in markets and donated to be passed along to other places. There is constantly a flow. Learning and understanding the flow of money in your life will help you create and generate more of it. The goal is obvious. Have bigger amounts of money coming in than going out. Number 3. Waste. We all may have different opinions on what is a waste of money, but for the purpose of this article, wasted money is money that creates debt. Wealth can be created if you spend it on the things that can and will generate more wealth. Wasted money is money spent on hobbies, addiction, and products that do not make money but cost you money. This doesn't mean that you can't enjoy your life. So making slight concessions such as your morning coffee or gym membership, I believe those things help create a balance in your life. Number 4. Charity. This rule is obvious. Money likes to be given away. It is very common for the wealthiest in the world to donate a percentage of their earnings every year. True wealth can never be attained if you don't learn the act of charity. Donate to your favorite charity, your church, or anywhere the money is truly needed. Number 6. Time. Money and time have been linked since the very beginning. Working an hourly wage or even working for yourself, you will notice how time and money work together. Everyone wants to be fairly compensated for their time and no one wants to work 90 hours a week, even if the paycheck is incredible. Money and time needs to be balanced. Number 6. People. Money is linked to people. The people around you can either help create opportunities or discourage opportunities. Making a conscious decision to keep company with people who know how to create wealth and who can provide opportunities for your own future world life is changing. Having the ability to work with, influence, befriend, and help people goes through all the laws of money and generating wealth. Take the time and evaluate your position on each point. Ask yourself the tough questions and be honest with yourself, but be sure to leave room for opportunities. You will surprise yourself that by just concentrating on these factors and being honest with yourself, opportunities will appear that you never thought were possible. Balancing these laws in your life is the key to unlocking true wealth. Signs you're on the right track to being a millionaire. Getting rich and becoming a millionaire may seem like a fantasy, but it's not so far-fetched. There are a lot of key habits that millionaires have that attribute to their success. We did a little research on how millionaires live their everyday life and compiled a list for you. Here are 10 signs you're going to be a millionaire even if you don't feel like you are.
Hello viewers, welcome to the Business in Africa YouTube channel and thanks for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing and also turn on notification so you don't miss any of our subsequent videos. We always love to produce videos that add value to the Business in Africa community. So if you have any suggested videos that you would love us to produce, drop it in the comment section below so we can do that video just for you.
Number 1. You always shoot for the moon. You know how the saying goes, shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you land among the stars. If you're the type of person who strive for an A when you only need a B to pass the class, you have the mindset of a millionaire. On a mission to become rich, shoot for $10 million, not $1 million. Continue to think big. Number 2, you maintain an open mind. You are not afraid of new ideas and know that closed minds do not inspire faith, courage, belief, and active imagination. Successful millionaires change their psychological approach to money, success, and happiness. Number 3, you use your time to harness effective results. You understand that time is more valuable than money itself. You are more likely to hire people for things that you are not good at, so that you can use your time on things you excel in. Financially successful people are consumed by their hunt for success and work to a point that they feel they are winning and not just working. Number 4, you enjoy setting and reaching goals. If you are a chronic goal setter, you think like a millionaire. Peter Vogt, founder of the Game of Changers Academy, who made his first million before turning 26, once said, "You don't make a million by accident. If it's not a goal, you sure as hell won't hit it." Number 5, you remain optimistic in the face of adversity. There are plenty of millionaires who have lived the from rags to riches narrative, including author J.K. Rowling. She was a single mother on state benefits and attributes her achievements to her ability to focus all her attention on the things that matter to her the most. Rich people believe, "I create my life." Poor people believe, "Life happens to me." Number 6, you are aware of what's going on in the world. If you are the type of person to start your morning off catching up on current events rather than the happenings on social media, you possess a habit of a millionaire. Entrepreneurs like Bill Gates and Warren Buffett start their day off with news publications such as the Wall Street Journal and the New York Times. Number 7, being poor makes no sense. You eliminate any of all excuses that being poor is justifiable. Bill Gates once said, "If you're born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake." Number 8, you work with or seek a successful mentor. You understand that it is important not to limit yourself to ideas of unsuccessful people. You study what millionaires do and consider a mentor to be a vital resource to your success. 68% of the 400 Americans on the Forbes 2013 billionaire list are considered self-made, meaning they did not inherit their fortune. Chances are a lot of them had mentors to help them think outside of the possible limited thought processes. Number 9, avoid debt that doesn't pay you. Make it a rule that you never use debt that won't make you money. If you borrow money for a car, it should be guaranteed to increase your income. While the rich use debt to leverage investment in order to grow cash flows, the poor use debt to buy things that make rich people richer. Number 10, you save to invest. You understand that the only reason to save money is to invest it. Put your saved money into secured and untouchable accounts. Never use these accounts for anything, not even an emergency. This will force you to continue to increase your income. You believe in investing your surpluses into ventures that you cannot access.